Okay, so here's the 1985 735i Beamer. It's been recently acquired. Reasonably straight number. Metallic black. Factory electric everything, including windows, mirrors, power roof. Naturally automatic transmission on this model vehicle. It has the factory alloys. It's going to need a little work cosmetically. There's some minor scratches and blemishes, a few chips, but nothing that I can't really take care of. This paint job that we see now, this metallic black, is the original paint job. It's had one polish, one cut and polish, and the water beads beautifully off this car. So it's going to take just a little bit of work, a little bit of anti-swirl remover, probably a bit of 2-speed polishing, orbital polishing required on this. Engine wise, it's powered by a 3.5 litre straight 6 alloy head, fuel injected, factory ABS, factory cruise control. It's had a new cylinder head gasket put on it, and some other minor things. It starts well and it runs reasonably well. It's going to need some tuning, but the vehicle hasn't been on the road for probably 18 months, and I'm looking forward to seeing how it goes. Hasn't been run much since it's had the new head gasket on, I was informed. So should have plenty of power under the boot, under the bonnet. Interior wise, it's had a basic clean. We're looking at full leather interior here. Beautifully covered seats. Powered seats, and memory for the seat positioning. The wood trimming, as you can see, is all original. 211,000 kilometers on the odometer, and it all powers up. All the electric windows work. Carpet's in pretty good condition, I would say 95–99% in good condition. It's a plush pile carpet. Full back seats are fully electronic, and they work beautifully. Should provide a lot of comfort sitting in the back. Needs a new hood lining as it's stained. The colour seems to have gone out of it, but That's pretty much the only thing that I'm going to replace. Get! Let's see if the cat doesn't get in too much. So this is the first of a few videos that I will be posting to document the reconditioning of this nice BMW. Picked it up for $800. Let's see what I can bring it up to. Alright, thanks.